Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this Bonnet Bloom in Great Garden game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. So this is one of the plants from the Easter update, and I got the seed from the previous update, which is the Welly wrapper. It's the part of the Easter event in Grow Garden. And in this Easter finale update, you can still get this seed, guys. You need to join this event, the Easter training event, and you need to you need to complete the quest. You will have 3 quests that you need to finish, and after you reach the score, 14 score, you will get this Bonnet Bloom seed. And this is how the bonnet bloom looks like. Okay, this one, you can harvest it multiple times, but you can only harvest one fruit from one plant. And now let's try to view the value, check the value of this fruit. I'm gonna click this option, how much this is worth. Oh, actually it's good. It's around 100k shekels. Yeah, it's really worth to keep in your garden. And the price or the value is similar to this plant, the X-Snapper. Wow, it's good, guys. Better if you keep it in your garden. Okay guys, and that's all about the Bonnet Bloom in Grow Garden Game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!